Good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Xunmin Wang, Vice President of Huawei European Research Institute. It's my pleasure to be here today to share a new initiative with you, which is called Quick Apps. I think this initiative will bring a lot of benefit to European developers, customers, and the industry in this new digital era. If we look back into the history, with the rapid development of the Internet service, we have been through the PC era focused on the traditional web pages and information search, and the early mobile Internet era focused on the application market. Now we are entering a fully connected new era. In the new era, various industries are embracing new business opportunities brought by the trends of the digital transformation, and launching the innovative service that enrich and facilitate the work and the life of any user. For example, hospital can launch online restoration and online consultation. Airline company can offer their online service of the seat booking and boarding. Merchant can provide a variety of online promotion activities. Game company can launch a variety of games that can be started anytime, anywhere, and extra. However, this application also encounter bottlenecks. According to the statistics, each mobile phone user store only 50 common mobile applications on average. In the future, if hundreds of services require users to install applications in advance, it will be inconvenient for the users. Based on the background, the MiniApp model can play an important role. MiniApp is a new web-based mobile application that features no installation, instant use, and direct service. For example, by scanning a QR code, you can start a game, shopping, boarding, and a hotel reservation without installation in application. This saves mobile storage and installation time. This will improve the user experience. In January 2021, the W3C established the MiniApp Standard Working Group. Huawei, Alibaba, Baidu, Google, Microsoft, and some other companies are jointly promoting unified standards that encompass different service devices and for multi-vendors using different operating systems. Developer will only need to develop once, and the app can be released on the multi-terminal and operating system. This can greatly reduce their developer cost. For example, a quick game application for Android can be easily run on a PC with Windows, and this can reduce repeating development working load. The game can be played on the mobile phone and switch to a PC at any time, bring the new cross-in experience to the users. In China, MiniApp is starting to take shape. According to the statistics, about 10% of the internet traffic in 2020 came from the MiniApp. However, in Europe, native applications are still mainly used. MiniApp is in its early stage, and the perception of the MiniApp by various industry and developers is relatively low. Therefore, we propose to set up an industry interest group in the Europe Developer Community, OW2, which used the Quick App as an example of the MiniApp standard to promote the industry, reach the industry consensus, attract more and more developers to join, and create more and more innovative applications that serve various industries. Together, we will extend this emerging industry and promote the development of the Internet service in this new year. Now, I will give the floor to my colleague Martin. He will explain more details about the Quick App and this new initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wang, for this introduction. So, Quick Apps is a new concept of hybrid applications that do not need installation and can be easily discovered in search results, message links, smart assistants, and many other means on the web and your device. With just one click or snapping the QR code, we can trigger the app functionality in milliseconds. So this is a perfect mechanism to access services quickly when we are on the move. The Quick App platform is a framework for mobile application development. It's based on the front-end web technology stack, and it's strongly linked to the operating system. This means that Quick App offers an enhanced native user experience with maximized performance with 20% less code than an Android application. The Quick App platform is based on development trends with a model view model architecture. It also follows the W3C MiniApp standard, which is based on HTML-like templates, JavaScript, and CSS, and the W3C MiniApp Working Group is welcoming new participants and implementations to make MiniApps a global success. Currently, Quick Apps, which is an implementation of MiniApps, are supported by over 1.2 billion devices worldwide. Most of them are based on Android, but this open platform could be implemented on any operating system and device. Developers might use advanced user interface components like star rating, tabs, or maps, and advanced device services like push notifications, access to the calendar, or running the app in the background to deliver excellent user experiences with minimum effort. Also, Quick Apps can be integrated as widgets, as you can see in this picture. Quick Apps also offers total flexibility to developers and publishers in the distribution phase. So you can code, pack, and deliver the app using any mechanism you want. Thus, Quick Apps are the perfect complement for native applications, enabling new business opportunities, innovation, and enhancing user experience to deliver better services and engage new customers. Quick Apps offer endless options for products and service discoverability. Just with one click or tap, the user will start the interaction. This will avoid any initial friction between the customer and the services. This will also increase user acquisition. Most Quick Apps are free of charge, but they can be monetized through in-app purchases and advertising as in native apps. Advanced customization and seamless user interaction let marketers provide customers with tailor-made content and experiences. So we hope we can see Quick Apps in any operating system and any device as a universal platform. My colleague Christian is going to explain the first steps to achieve it.
Hi, it's great to be here with you today. Now, we've heard from Mr. Wang and Martin about the amazing potential that Quick Apps have to usher in this new era of low-friction user interactivity for many different types of device, in many domains, and for many use cases. From on-the-go click-and-play gaming on a smartphone, or interactive house appliances, or visitor guides for museums and travel passes, or even accessing your local city services such as your local housing office, or simply paying for a parking meter, or if you're unlucky, a parking ticket. For this to happen, of course, for this nascent ecosystem to grow, there are 4 foundations that really must be positioned. We need to raise awareness around the possibilities and the benefits and the limits of these applications. You, the developer community, need to have easy access to rich technical information and a great support network and appropriate tooling. Devices need to support this new framework. As we saw, Quick Apps don't run in the browser, they run close to the OS. That means less baggage, better performance, but it also means we need those device manufacturers on board. And we need to ensure that Quick Apps respect best practices, such as for good security and data privacy. Now, through the Quick App initiative hosted by OW2, we will work together to help position and build upon these foundations. On the application side, promotional efforts will raise awareness and spread understanding in the developer and business communities. Great technical documentation will be authored for tutorials and FAQs and programming guides, and not just for APIs, but also how to make your Quick Apps sustainable or accessible. Open tools, code templates, runtime engines, migration tools. All of these need to be developed. Now, on the hardware side, of course, we have the W3C developing the MiniApp standard, and we hope that the Quick App initiative and its participants can feed in and help grow that MiniApp standard. But equally, we hope that the Quick App initiative will be a dissemination channel for the standard. And this will help create that global industrial consensus that we talked about. Now, if we do this together and we do it right, if we build these enablers for open ecosystem success, everybody benefits. Now, the initiative will be governed through the ideals of FLOSS. It will be inclusive and respectful, meritocratic and transparent, open to anyone, and definitely not pay to play. As an example, the steering committee will have representation from each organisation and each task force. And it will deliver its value to the whole ecosystem through the task forces. In fact, any participant can propose and then lead a task force. The only real consideration is that the participant must be motivated, intrigued, or should I say interested, in helping to nurture and develop this new dynamic. And this will bring benefits to everybody, of course. Now, Rome wasn't built in a day, as the saying goes. And this Quick App initiative with OW2 won't be built by any single company, and definitely not in a day. It's going to take time and effort, we know that. And above all, it's going to take many different parties from different domains and different companies and different cultures collaborating together. This is not a single vendor initiative, this is a collaborative initiative, open by design. Talking of which, let's see some of the wonderful and amazing launch participants.
Hi, this is Pablo Coca from CTIC. We are the W3C chapter hub for Spain and the Spanish-speaking Latin countries. Our activities focus on the development of innovation projects for clients using artificial intelligence and data-related technologies. Therefore, visualization tools and interfaces are crucial for us. In our projects, we face testing and validation activities where the quick deployment of developments is a decisive factor. This is usually very intensive in time due to the need of developing different native apps. And at this point, this Quick App initiative will help us to overcome these limitations, while it will pave the way for the progressive web applications.
Do you like the process of installing apps? Consumer experience has changed tremendously. Let's bring new standards to the market. Let's facilitate content production for quick apps.
At FIVR, our vision is to build the ecosystem that brings captivating games to billions of players instantly. So far, across the web and mobile, more than 1.2 billion players have played our games, powered by the FIVR distribution platform. We joined as an early partner for Huawei Quick Apps and have already validated that the platform can support advertisement and in-app purchase business models on par with legacy distribution channels. While FIVR's success has been enabled by our proprietary technology, we believe strongly in a future where all developers get to choose how users consume their content through easy integration and distribution with many platforms. So today, we are excited to announce that we are joining the Quick App initiative to help build a standardized and open way for all developers to get their great games in front of billions of players.
Bonjour, hello, привет, ni hao. My name is Adrian Henney. I'm involved as a co-founder in two non-profits that are going to take an active part in the Quick Apps ecosystem. The first one is the RSI Foundation. RSI stands for Resilience, Sustainability, and Innovation. Together, we will create guidelines for app developers and publishers to design more sustainable and more ethical apps. We'll also develop, together with industry players, next-gen value chains for a direct and positive impact on the environment and societies. The other organization I'm representing is Alliance Tech. This is a Paris-based nonprofit that aims to bridge the two sides of Europe in the field of technology. We will help the Quick Apps community connect with players from Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, and other countries of Eastern Europe to jointly develop projects. Thank you for your attention.
If you would like more information about the initiative, please visit the OW2 website or contact Martin and myself at the email addresses shown below. Thank you for listening today, and have a really great conference.